Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and welcome back to the Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. So it's been a long journey, or so it seems. Round 1 saw 26 entrants, with a few getting a free pass based on the random draw. Round 2 narrowed the field a little bit, and obviously as we got further along into round 3, things got very, very tight. The voting got really close, and a lot of good trucks went home. I mean, honestly, they were all good. I wish I could keep them all, to be honest with you, but unfortunately, there can only be a few winners here, and one overall. So the semifinals was even tighter, which led us up to the finals and determining who wins round 3. So, I'd like to thank all our sponsors that made this possible. Obviously, our primary sponsor, Gunslinger Garage, Big Paw Garage, both on YouTube, William, Mr. K7 Robinson, Christian Stanaland, Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals, Chris Smith for this killer diorama, Joe Patton from Diecast and Dioramas on YouTube, and Dustin Winsell for some bone shakers. Plus, obviously, a winner gets every single entry. So let's meet the entries. All right, here we go. Third place. Dramatic pause. 55 El Namino by Chris Welch. Second place. More dramatic pause. Snake Plissken Speed Shop by Jeff V. 164 Revival. And first place, obviously, if you've been following along, Redemption by Christian Stanaland. This thing is amazing. I mean, the rules were pretty simple. You know, you had to start with a truck or make a truck, and it couldn't be a commercial vehicle to begin with. Other than that, you could do whatever you wanted. He went the extra mile with the trailer, adding another truck, everything being color coordinated. You know, there was a lot of great trucks. The ones I picked to win didn't win. Actually, one of the ones I picked got knocked out in the first round. So there was so many good ones to choose from. but everybody has their own take. That's what's great about these challenges. And he went the extra mile, and obviously he got rewarded for it by getting the votes and getting the win. Huge props to every single entrant. The amount of work that went into all of these, it's phenomenal. You can't. To be fair, I had to do, a 20-second video and 4 or 5 shots, and I had to make them all the same, so I didn't treat anybody any differently. I wish I had more time to really get into every single vehicle. The amount of work in each and every one of these is phenomenal, and every single entrant deserves a win. And a lot of these guys I know have contacted me, and ladies have contacted me and said how much they appreciated it and how they stepped outside their comfort zone and put a lot more effort in and learned while they built, which is kind of the whole point of these challenges in the first place, is just to make these, to force you to go, you're facing stiff competition, so you're going to go over and above. And when you do that, you improve your skill set. And that's kind of what this is all about. That's how I've managed to get, my skills to where they are. And I still got such a long way to go. But each and every truck that was entered and sent in is just amazing. And to be honest with you, I don't want to send any of them away. But I have to. And unfortunately, I can't enter and I can't vote. So, you guys all did an awesome job. Everybody who took the time to vote, I thank you very much, and I'm sure every entrant thanks you very much. I believe everything was fair. I'm learning too. This is my second challenge. The Mustang challenge went really well. I learned a lot from that one, and I learned a lot from this one. So, not sure about another challenge. I'm on the fence about it. This sucks up a lot of my time and resources. I'm sure I will do another one. I don't know if it'll be in 3 months, like the gap between the Mustang one and this one. But I will make an announcement if and when I do. So once again, thanks to everybody. Congratulations to everybody who entered. Obviously, also to third, second, and first places. I will be contacting you and mailing off all the prizes. And people will be contacting you as well that are giving away prizes that are direct through mail or whatever. So again, thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.